Good morning, student. In the last classes, we have seen the chapter limit, and we have solved a lot of questions based on these types of this chapter. Okay, now today, students, we are going to start a new chapter, a circle. Okay, so we will first understand the concept of circle, what is circle, and different cases of this standard equation, general equation of circle, question based on these. Okay, so first we will see what is circle. Okay, so circle is defined as it is a locus of point. Okay, it is a locus of point in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. Okay, circle is defined as a locus of point whose distance from a fixed point remains always constant. Okay, so this fixed point is called center of circle. Okay, and this is our circle. Okay, student, so we can say that a circle is defined as it is a locus of point in a plane whose distance from its fixed point is always constant, and this fixed point is called center. Suppose that we are taking a point P, x, y on its circumference of the circle, then this CP is called the radius of circle. Okay, and if we are joining with the other end, then P and A, this PA is called diameter of circle. Okay, student, so this is our circle. Okay, now the standard equation of circle is what? Suppose that the coordinate of its center is HK. Okay, student, and this distance is, suppose that A. Okay, this distance CP is equal to A. We are supposing either you can take R also. So our CP is equal to R. Okay, C is the coordinate, and this C has the coordinate HK and P has the coordinate XY. Okay, student. So the distance between 2 points is, you know what is? This is, we have written A. So write here A. So CP square is A square, student. So we write x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to A square. This is the equation of circle. Okay. Now if we are taking the center 0, 0, then our equation will be reduced in x square plus y square is equal to A square. If the center is 0 and 0, then we write at the place of h and k is 0, and we get our equation of circle, which is x square plus y square is equal to A square. So this is the standard equation of circle, student. Okay, and this is our circle. Now, student, suppose that we are taking a small example. Okay, that is find the equation of circle whose center is 2 minus 3 and radius is 5. Okay, so we have to find the equation of circle. Okay, student, so this is our center, which is HT. So you know equation of circle is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to r square, which is 5 square. So we will solve it and get our required result. Okay, so we can write x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. This is our equation of circle. If you want to expand it, so you can expand also. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square and 2ab. So x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus is equal to 25 minus 13 and 2 1. So x square plus y square minus 4x and plus 6y is equal to 12. So this will be our result. Okay. I hope you understand, students. Now student, you will see some particular cases of the circle. Okay. Let's see some particular cases of the circle. First case is when the center of the circle coincide with the origin. Okay. When the center of circle is coincide with origin, it means that our h is k is both are equal to 0. In this case, student, our circle this is x-axis, y-axis, and y dash and x dash. This is origin and this is center also. So in such type of case, our equation of circle will be x square plus y square is equal to a square, because h and k is 0. Okay, so our equation will be changed in x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay. Now student, second case is when the circle passes through the origin. Okay. Second case is when the circle passes through the origin. That is, such type of equation we will make. Okay, this is our origin and this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, and here is the center. So center is center C, which is whose coordinate is HK. Okay, student. So this is, and radius of the circle is A. Okay. So student, our this is radius A and this is K and this is H. Okay. So this is, now in this case the equation of circle will be what? Here student, OC square is h square plus k square. Okay, so a square is h square plus k square. So a is under root h square plus k square. Now center is sk and radius is this. Okay student, in this case the equation of circle will be what? We write x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, means a square, which is h square plus k square. When we expand student this, we write x square plus h square minus 2hx, okay, and plus y square plus k square minus 2yk, which is h square plus k square. So h square and k square will be cancelled. So x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2yk, which is equal to 0. Okay student. So in this case, when the circle is passing through the origin, our equation of circle will be x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2yk is equal to 0. Okay student. Now next case is when the circle touches the x axis. Okay student. So when the circle touches the x-axis, student, in this case our equation of circle will be, our third case is the circle touches the x-axis. Okay. Now this is center C and whose coordinate is HK student. This is perpendicular. Okay. Now we are taking the point and here this, and this is our K and our X is A is equal to K. Okay, student. So when the circle touches the x-axis, our K is equal to A because this is radius. Okay. So equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. Okay. Our equation of circle will be this, and when we will expand this, we get x square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square plus a square minus 2ya is equal to a square. This will be cancelled, and equation of circle will be x square plus y square plus h square minus 2hx minus 2ya is equal to 0. Okay, student. So our equation of circle will be in this form. Okay. Now our next part is, this is third case, and fourth case is when the circle touches the y-axis. Okay. So when circle touches the y-axis, student, in this case here this will be h and k, and this is our radius also. Okay. So here h, this is our h. Okay, students, so equation of circle will be x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to a square, and student, in this case our h is equal to a. Okay, because the center radius of the circle is equal to h, and which is equal to a also. So we can write x minus a square plus y minus k square is equal to a square, and when we will expand this, a square minus 2ax plus y square plus k square minus 2ky, which a square, this is cancelled, x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2yk. Okay, student, and plus k square. So this is the equation of circle in this case when it touches the y-axis. Okay. Now, student, our fifth case is when the circle touches the both axes. Then the equation of circle is okay, student. Our next part is the circle touches the both axes, okay, x and y. So the center is A, center will be AA because this will be both are the radius. So equation of circle will be x minus a square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. Okay, student. In this case, our equation of circle will be x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2ay, and here a square plus a square, which is equal to 0. Sorry, here is a square. So one part is cancelled, student, and one part will be remain. So this will be x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2ay plus a square is equal to equation of circle. Okay, student. So when the circle touches both axes, its radius and h and k both will be same, and we will find the equation of circle in this form. Okay. And the sixth case, student, when the circle passes through the origin and center lies on x axis. When the circle passes through the origin and center is on x axis. So student, in this case our equation will be x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. Okay, in this case our equation of circle will be this. Okay, student. And student, in the last case, when the circle passes through the origin and center is on y axis, then the equation of circle will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. In this case, equation of circle is this. In this case, equation of circle is this. Okay, student. And in this case, equation of circle is this. Now, student, let's see once again our first case, when the standard equation of circle is x square x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square, student. Okay. So when our center is 0, 0, then our equation will be changed in x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay. So this is our first case. Our second case is when the circle passes through the origin. Okay. When the circle passes through the origin, student, in this case, student, this is our hk and this is k, and here is a. Okay, so our equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square, and a square is h square plus k square. Okay, so that will be our equation. And third case is when the circle touches the x axis. Okay, student, the circle touches the x axis. So student, the circle touches the x axis is this. Okay, student. So in this case, equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. In this case, student, our k is equal to the radius, because this is radius and this is also k. So k is equal to a, so equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to a square. Okay, and next case is when the circle touches this y axis, then student our h is this, so equation will be x minus h whole square, x minus a square plus y minus k square is equal to a square. In this case our equation will be formed of like this. Okay, now next case is when the circle touches both axes, x axis and y axis. Okay, so in this case student our equation of circle will be x minus a square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. After solving we get the required result. Okay, now in the next case, when the circle passes through the origin and its center lies on x axis, then our center is a0. So equation of circle will be x minus a square plus y minus 0 square is equal to a square. Okay student, and our last case is when the circle passing through the origin and its center lies on y axis, then x minus 0 square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. So these are the some cases in which the equation of circle will be changed. Now we will see some examples and questions are all these types. Okay, so let's see. Our first question is, find the equation of circle whose diameters are 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12 and x plus 4y is equal to 5 and area is 154 square unit. Okay student, so this is our question. We have to find the equation of the circle. Okay student, so this is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12 and x plus 4y is equal to 5. So these are the two equations of a diameter of circle. Okay student, so we are seeing that this is diameter, and these two diameters intersect at the point this. So the intersection point of these two diameters will be our center of the circle. So we will find the intersection point of these two equations, that will be our center of circle. Okay student, so first of all we will find the solving these two equations we get. This is our first, this is second. We will multiply it 2, we get 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12 and this is 2x plus 8y is equal to 10. Now subtract, so this will be minus 11y and this is 22. So y is 2 and when putting the value of y, we get x is equal to 5 minus 8. Okay, so our x is minus 3. So the intersection point is minus 3, 2. So this is center of circle is this. Now we have to find the radius of the circle student. Okay, so area is given to us 154. Okay, so you know the area of the circle is pi r square, which is 154. So 22 by 7, r square is 154. So r square is it will be 154 into 7 by 22. So it will be cancelled in 7 times. Now r is equal to 7 student. So we have find out the point and the radius of the circle. Okay, so the equation of circle will be, equation of circle is x plus 3 whole square y minus 2 whole square is equal to 7 square. Now we will expand this, student, and get our result. So x square plus 9 plus 6x y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 49. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y, and student 9 and 4 13. This is 49. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 6, and this is 4 minus 1. This is 3. Okay. So this will be our equation of circle. Okay, student. First of all, from the equation of diameter, we will find out its intersection point. That intersection point will be the center of the circle, and from the help of area we will find the radius, and when we will find the point and radius, we will find the equation of circle. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Okay, we will put all the value and further solve it. We find the equation of circle. Okay, I hope you understand, students. Now we take another question. Our next question is find the equation of circle of radius 5 whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Okay, student, this is our question. Find the equation of a circle whose radius is 5 and whose center is lies on x-axis, and this is passing through the point 2, 3. Okay, student. So radius is 5, student. So center, let the center of circle is A0, student. Okay, and radius is given to us. Our radius is 5. Okay, okay, student. So and point P is 2, 3. So CP is equal to the radius, because this is the center and this is the point on the circle. Okay, because our circle passes through the point 2, 3. Okay, so radius is this. So we will find the distance between 2 points is a minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Okay, this is p square and 5 square. So it will be a square plus 4 minus 4a, and this is 9 is equal to 25. So a square minus 4a, and this is 13 minus 25. So a square minus 4a minus 12 is 0. So a square minus 6a plus 2a minus 12 is 0. So a minus 6 and 2, a minus 6. So a minus 6, a plus 2 is 0. So a is 6 and a is minus 2. So our center may be 6, 0 or minus 2, 0. So equation of circle is x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to radius 5 square. I hope you understand, friend. Now expand this. X square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square is equal to 25. So x square plus y square minus 12x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is first equation of circle, and second is x plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to r square, student. So x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square is equal to 25. So x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 is 0. Okay, student. So these are the two equations of the circle which we have to find out. So first of all, we have find the point on the x-axis. We have taken the point A0 and find the value of A, and so we get the two centers. Now equation of circle is x minus 6 square plus y minus 0 square is equal to 5 square. This will be and x plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 25. That will be our answer. I hope you understand, friends. Thank you.